When billions of dollars pool into a single digital asset, it creates an economy the size of a small nation. Right now, the market capitalization of BNB sits squarely in the $92 to $93 billion range. That specific valuation secures its position as the fourth largest cryptocurrency in the world. But looking at this price chart, we see a massive disparity. BNB had an all-time high of $1,370 in October of 2025. Today, it trades at $696, meaning nearly half of its peak value has been erased. That heavy discount has left broad market sentiment cautious at best. To accurately evaluate BNB at this price level, we have to strip away the day-to-day market sentiment and examine its mechanical function. While it originated as a trading vehicle, its current architecture functions directly as foundational Layer 1 infrastructure. Its long-term valuation is tied directly to this underlying network architecture and a strictly programmed monetary policy. The first technical distinction to make is that BNB is a coin rather than a token. In its 2017 origin, it was heavily reliant on an external network, acting as a utility voucher to discount trading fees on the Binance exchange. This diagram illustrates the architectural migration that followed. BNB migrated away from operating as a centralized token on someone else's chain, expanding into an independent foundational asset running its own blockchain. That base layer was activated as the BNB Smart Chain. In this system, the coin itself acts as the required operational fuel for a sprawling decentralized ecosystem. Built entirely on top of this network are complex application layers, covering decentralized finance, gaming protocols, and real-world assets. Executing any smart contract or transferring value within these sectors strictly requires BNB to pay for the computation. The asset successfully graduated from a corporate loyalty voucher into the mandatory base layer of a decentralized economy. Beyond its functional utility, we have to look at how the network manages its monetary policy and supply. Right now, the total supply metric sits at approximately 133 million BNB. Every single one of those 133 million coins is currently fully circulating on the open market. To manage this volume, the network employs a strict monetary protocol known as the auto burn. Looking at this supply gauge, we can see the auto burn in action. It is a programmed quarterly execution that permanently destroys a portion of the circulating coins. This protocol operates with a deterministic end goal in mind. The total circulating supply will continue shrinking quarter by quarter until it hits a hard cap of exactly 100 million coins. This mechanism forces a structural, continuous reduction on the supply side of the market, entirely independent of day-to-day user activity. By pairing mandatory network utility with programmatic destruction, the architecture enforces strict economic deflation. Mapping these foundational models back to current price action, we see BNB hovering around the $696 mark. This price chart maps out a distinct sideways channel. It shows a wide consolidation range trapped between a heavy resistance line at $700 and a support floor down near $585. The bull case for breaking that resistance relies on the ongoing L1 utility driving demand, paired with the constant supply reduction from the auto burns. Conversely, the cautious case notes that the network maintains a heavy structural reliance on the overarching fortunes of its corporate creator, Binance. This creates a clear structural paradox. We are looking at a blue-chip asset with robust deflationary mechanics trapped in a holding pattern. In a sideways market, the underlying mechanics dictate long-term, structural consolidation rather than immediate volatility or short-term breakouts. For those looking to gain exposure, the asset is available on Binance and also on Bybit, or swapped directly on PancakeSwap. As a reminder, this analysis is not financial advice, and you must do your own independent research. If you found this breakdown useful, like the video and subscribe for daily crypto analysis. The ultimate test for BNB is whether its engineered scarcity and decentralized utility can outpace the market's perception of its centralized origins.